Hello friends, CA Manu Sharma this side. In this video, I am going to explain you a very important feature which is available in the Microsoft Dynamics, and this is a free of cost feature which you can use in your Dynamics implementations so that it will remind whenever a fixed asset policy is going to expire. So how to use it? So before starting to deliver this information, I will explain you that this is a workaround which we can use. So go to the fixed asset master, and here we will provide a policy expiration date. Now the system will tell us that the policy is going to expire within 7 days. So how it will be done? You can see it. So go to the options, and here we are going to create a custom alert. So this alert will tell us that the policy is going to expire. So what we'll do is we'll select the field which is the policy expiration date, and here we will select is due in. So if the due in date is 7 days, so it means the policy is going to expire within 7 days. So it will give us a alert. So we'll set up a alert for all the records in the fixed asset, not for the single record. And even if you want, you can also set up a email. So you can set up by email, and you can then provide the email address. You can also set up the subject, like I will set up the subject that expiration date for the fixed asset is going to be in 7 days, like that, and any message if you want. And you can also select the users for which the reminder is to be set. Then you can click on the OK button. So hmm, after the policy is going to be expired, then the user will get a notification like this. And if you have set up a email, then email will also become. So you can see the notification is coming here. So this is how you can set up a alert for the policy expiration date for the fixed assets.